House has passed a bill that creates a new requirement for people wearing medical masks while protesting.
WDHN State Capitol reporter Ryan Hall is in Montgomery with details on the bill and reaction, all new at 6.
Communities in Minnesota are protesting federal immigration efforts after 2 fatal shootings involving ICE agents. Here in Alabama, Republicans say law enforcement should be able to identify protesters, but Democrats say that effort violates the First Amendment. Current law makes it illegal to loiter in a public place with a mask on unless it is for masquerade or another designated event. One bill expands that law by requiring protesters who wear medical masks to provide a doctor's note to law enforcement. Representative Jamie Keel says the bill will allow police to better identify people at demonstrations.
Yeah, well, if somebody needs to be wearing a medical mask, if they have a condition where they need to be wearing it, they should be allowed to wear that. And then also give the protection to law enforcement when they need to identify someone, they're able to do that legally.
But Representative Neil Rafferty disagrees.
I think that there's a lot of problems with this bill. I think that it's easy to be abused or misused, and I think there's a lot of legitimate concerns that me and both my colleagues have on that bill.
Rafferty says those issues restrain people's ability to make their voices heard, especially at the State House.
This is anti-First Amendment freedom of speech. This is anti-liberty, and it doesn't do anything to actually make people more safe or feel safe.
Still, Representative Keel says that safety comes when law enforcement is able to do their job.
Well, if somebody's wearing a medical mask or a surgical mask and a police officer asks them to identify themselves, we need to be able to identify who they are.
The bill passed in the House and now heads to the Senate for committee vote. In Montgomery, Ryan Hall, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.